The organism is a group of systems working in harmony in order to maintain life. The human organ systems include the digestive system, the circulatory system, the muscular system, the respiratory system, the skeletal system, and the nervous system. Welcome to a new science lecture video. This time we will introduce a new organ system, and for sure this system will be controlled by the nervous system. Since the nervous system controls the function of all the systems which form the human organism. It is a system, so it consists of different organs. Which organs build our nervous system? The brain, the spinal cord, and nerves build our nervous system. These organs are composed of tissues and cells which resemble each other and have the same function form a tissue. The nerve cell or the neuron is a specialized cell that transmits nerve signals in the body. Here is a real picture of the human nervous system. What is our nervous system made of? Here we have the brain that is enclosed in the skull. The spinal cord is located in the vertebral column or the spine. The brain with the spinal cord make our central nervous system. Nerves reach all of the body organs. These are the nerves, and the nerves make our peripheral nervous system. So, the nervous system consists of two main parts. The central nervous system made of the brain with the spinal cord and the peripheral nervous system made of the nerves. These organs and their tissues are made of millions of specialized cells called nerve cells. Sensory nerve cells transmit messages from the peripheral nervous system to the central nervous system, while motor neurons or nerve cells take messages from central nervous system to the peripheral nervous system. These specialized cells have different parts. Here we have the dendrites, the cell body or the soma. This is the axon, and at the end we have the axon terminal. And this is how a message travels. It travels from the dendrites to the cell body, through the axon, and finally to the axon terminal. So kids, when you move, your brain sends a message to your limb muscles to contract. In order to see, hear, and smell, sensory organs, nerves, and brain get involved. Also, when you want to eliminate waste products from your body, it's your nervous system that controls your excretory system. So today's lesson is about the excretory system responsible of the process of excretion in the body. What's excretion? It is the process of eliminating unwanted substances outside the organism. The excretory system is an organ system, so it consists of different organs, and these organs include the lungs, the large intestine, the kidneys, and the skin. Say them with me. The excretory system consists of 4 excretory organs: the lungs, the large intestine, the kidneys, and the skin. Why are these organs part of the excretory system? Let's see. I'll start with the lungs. The lungs are part of our respiratory system. Their job is to provide the body with the needed oxygen. So, the lungs get in oxygen to the body, and then they get rid of the unwanted carbon dioxide. The body does not need the carbon dioxide gas, and this is the job of the lungs. The lungs send carbon dioxide outside the organism. This is why lungs are part of the excretory system, since they are responsible of the excretion of the carbon dioxide. You eliminate carbon dioxide outside your body as you breathe out. Okay, then the carbon dioxide, which is a main toxic waste, is eliminated at the lungs level. What about the large intestine? Look at this. This is our digestive system. It digests food and turns it into nutrients, into proteins, vitamins, sugar needed by the body organs and cells. But some of the food has not been digested as food. So the job of the large intestine is to eliminate, to excrete the undigested food waste. So the job of the large intestine is to get rid of the undigested food. And this is why the large intestine is a part of the excretory system. Your digestive system's function is to digest food and turns it into nutrients needed by the body organs and cells. This system consists of the mouth, the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, and the large intestine. Solid waste is made of undigested food that has passed through your digestive system. The excretion of the solid waste is the function of the large intestine. So, the large intestine helps you get rid of undigested and unwanted food. The kidneys are the third part of the excretory system, and they are actually a part of the human urinary system. This system consists of two kidneys. Kidneys are located in the abdominal cavity. They have a dark red color, and each kidney is about the size of a fist. Kidneys are connected to the ureters. So the urinary system consists also of two ureters. Each ureter is a tube that leaves a kidney and ends up in the bladder, which is a pocket located in the pelvis, and this pocket opens outside the body through a tube, which is the urethra. How does the human urinary system work? Listen to me. This is again our digestive system. So when you eat, and especially when you consume food rich in proteins like chicken and meat, there is something called ammonia that is produced. Ammonia is something toxic to your body. It is a waste product that must be eliminated. So what happens? The ammonia passes into your blood. The liver is a job now, which is this brown organ in here. The liver's job is to filter ammonia from your blood. So the liver filters ammonia from your blood and turns it into urea. This is what the liver do. Then the urea is taken to the kidneys. In the kidneys, the urea combines with extra water and salt to make urine. I will repeat. When you eat, when you consume food, digestion happens. There are some good substances or nutrients that you get from food, such as proteins, vitamins, and lots of things. The ammonia is a poisonous substance produced, and the body needs to get rid of this substance. The job of the liver is to filter the ammonia from your blood and to turn it into urea. In the kidneys, the urea, the water, and the salts combine to form urine. The urine found in the kidneys flows inside the two ureters, and it reaches the bladder where it is accumulated. It is stored in the bladder. Then, when the bladder is filled up, the urine is eliminated outside the body through the urethra. And here where you feel that you need to go to the bathroom. The urinary system is a part of the excretory system since it helps the organism to get rid of urine, which contains toxic substances. Here is a 3D model of our urinary system. This system consists of two kidneys. Again, the kidneys are bean-shaped organ. Look, each about the size of a fist. They are located near the middle of the back, one on each side of the backbone. Look at the backbone. So we have a kidney, one on each side of the backbone. Kidneys are connected to the ureter. Let me label the diagram. So here we have the kidneys, two kidneys. The kidneys are connected to the ureters. The ureters are tubes that leave the kidney and end up in the bladder. Here is the bladder, which is a pocket located in the pelvis. You can see the pelvis right here. This pocket stores the urine in it and opens outside the body through the urethra, and this is the urethra. Here are the kidneys, the ureters, the bladder with the urethra. Sometimes a body's kidneys stop working, and when this happens, the body fills with extra water and waste products. The person whose kidneys stop working will feel tired and weak because the body needs clean blood to function properly, and his hands and feet may swell. This person will need to undergo dialysis. What's dialysis? So look, if the kidneys stop working properly, waste products can build up in the blood. This leads to medical problems that can quickly become life-threatening. Dialysis here is a treatment for kidney failure. It steps in to do the job of the kidneys and keep the body in balance. Or this person can undergo a kidney transplantation. The skin is also a part of the excretory system. You will ask me why? Because this skin helps us to get rid of wastes such as excess water, salt, urea, and uric acid, and these are removed from the body in sweat. So when you sweat through your skin, you are eliminating and excreting these toxic substances. And the end. As your body digests food and uses energy, it produces waste. You must get rid of this waste or your body would poison itself. This is called excretion, and the organs of excretion are lungs, large intestine, kidneys, and skin. The lungs will help you eliminate the carbon dioxide outside the organism. The large intestine eliminates the undigested food. The kidneys eliminates urine that contains toxic substances. And your skin helps you sweat to also eliminate bad and toxic substances outside the organism. What about the urinary system and what are its different parts? The urinary system consists of two kidneys, two ureters, and a bladder. The kidneys make or form the urine. The urine then passes through the ureters to the bladder. The bladder's job is to accumulate the urine. When it is filled up with urine, the urine will be eliminated by urination outside the body through the urethra. If you still have any questions about the lesson, please send me private messages and I will be glad to answer all of them. Bye bye.